Jadi bilik teras dalaman sesuai di sini.
Ya, dan cube moden akan menonjol tepat seperti ini.
The treehouse expert installs a flat roof frame on top of the cube's walls, setting the rafters with a subtle slope back toward the trunk. Snapping this last plank into place finishes this section. The contrast between the dark floor and the light timber walls really defines the minimalist aesthetic we're aiming for. Setting the headboard against the rear wall. This alignment is crucial so the guests can wake up and look straight out at the forest view. Solar inverter here in the trunk, then hide them behind this flush timber door so the systems remain invisible to guests. We're running the main conduits from the inverter up into the cube structure. This ensures all the modern electrics, like the AC and lighting, are hidden but accessible. It's crucial these conduits are tidy now, so the final timber interior looks clean and the electrics are fully hidden. By dimming these downlights slightly, we enhance the hidden strips behind the headboard, creating that soft, inviting ambience.
Okay, that one's secure. Go ahead and tuck the rest of that strip behind the headboard.
Right here?
Right here. Adjusting the warmth slightly. There, that balances the interior lighting perfectly. The power flows from the solar panels through this controller, charging the batteries below, and then safely out through these breakers to the AC loads. This setup organizes the off-grid system's heart. Power flows from the solar panels down to these batteries and then out to the AC loads in the cube.
Panels. This ensures the room sounds as cozy and refined as it looks, eliminating those harsh echoes.
We place these panels strategically to absorb the sound.